Installation in Kia Sportage. And this kit produces hydrogen and hydrogen oxygen hydroxy gas. It's a water reservoir bubbler. From here, this has been mixed with the air intake of the auto. HHO dry cell kit installation in Hyderabad, Sindh. This is an EFI car. It's cheap. Now the HHO will be mixed with the fuel, and this will give almost 20 to 30% saving of fuel, either in CNG or petrol. This was the first car whose average on petrol was 12.7 km. Now this car is giving 17 km per liter, and with the CNG the average was 16 to 17 km per kg. Now the average is 22 to 25 km per kg. So it has been increased almost 20 to 30% in fuel with respect to fuel saving, and with respect to kilometer, so almost 50% gain has been achieved.